earth moving, soil stabilization, demolition and haulage. These are the main service areas offered by construction company Maaßen. We've been following the company's work on some spectacular construction sites for several years now, reporting on new services and additions to their fleet. In summer 2020, we thought it was time to have another look behind the scenes of this extraordinary construction company. At 6:30 in the morning, the first vehicles leave the Maaßen premises in Sindorf, just west of Cologne. The company currently employs a team of 87. They're always on the lookout for new team members. Among other machinery, the fleet includes 50 trucks and 14 diggers. Our first location for filming is a 3-kilometre-long motorway construction site on the A61. The team has been on site for 4 weeks, taking care of recycling, earthworks and detailed planning for the new road surface. The timing is tight. The first step is to remove the old concrete surface and crush it using the 2 impact crushers. We've shown you these crushers before at the House Forst recycling site in our previous Maaßen short films. The crushing units, weighing almost 70 tons each, are mobile and can be deployed on site as required. Up to 300 tons of material per hour can be processed by each impact crusher. The crushed concrete is stored on one side of the motorway lane. Once 20 centimetres of earth have been carted away, the material is then used to form a roadbed for the new road surface. One digger, a dozer and the high-speed bulldozer are being used for the levelling work. During the fine levelling stage, the high-speed bulldozer really comes into its own in terms of agility. There's only a 14-metre wide space to work in next to the stream of traffic, over half of which is covered in construction material. Due to the shelter from the trees on the edge of the motorway, using GPS technology for precision work on this site has not been possible. So instead, they're relying on stationary equipment to provide a signal. Maaßen Civil Engineering currently operates on a total of 4 sites. The most recent site to be added in spring 2020 was a gravel quarry. This area is used to mine gravel for local construction projects and as a depot for storing excavated material, mostly from their own construction sites in the surrounding area. The CAT 966M is new and will mainly be used in this gravel quarry. With a charge weight of almost 24 tons, it's the biggest CAT loader to still be road legal in Germany. It's one of 3 966Ms in Maaßen's fleet. Jens is loading gravel today. Since March, around 65,000 tons have been transported off this site. The 966M's enormous bucket holds 4.5 cubic meters. Depending on the material type, that's up to 10 tons in weight that are tipped directly onto a truck or screening plant. A major advantage of working with the new loader is its integrated weighing system. The data the system records is saved and transmitted in 15-minute intervals to the office. The entries can then be used at a later stage for invoicing or statistical site planning. Jens can also generate a weighbridge ticket for the truck drivers straight from the loader can. Workshop team member Chasen is also on site this morning with the new service van. Maaßen has a total of 4 workshop vehicles in operation. During bridge demolition projects with tight timescales, for example, there can often be 2 of these vehicles permanently on site to quickly carry out minor repairs. The MAN panel van also has a BF3 road permit. This means that a warning sign can be folded out to enable specially trained team members to escort the company's own vehicles with oversized loads. After all, they do need to transport construction vehicles to new locations at least once a day. A few things have changed at Maaßen's headquarters in Sindorf too. After a year of planning and building work, the civil engineering company has moved into a new office building on 2 floors, measuring 140 square meters each. Alongside management, the company's bookkeeping, accounting and construction planning functions are now based in this office. Mark Maaßen's wife, Vanessa, is also actively involved in the business. She takes care of all the administrative work. As a civil engineer, team member Alex is involved in calculating and billing construction projects of all sizes. Site models are generated on the computer using the latest software and can be transferred straight onto the construction machines via a USB stick. One important tool these days is a bill of quantities. This enables the team to estimate the quantities to be moved as part of a construction project to within a 5% degree of accuracy. Managing Director and company founder Mark Maaßen's passion for the construction industry is hard to underestimate. His desk is supported by a huge digger bucket. 25 years ago, this bucket was mounted on Mark's first Caterpillar. He estimates he must have worked over 3,000 hours on that machine himself. Now back to some construction work. This time, we're in the Frechen area of the city to check out a railway bridge renovation project. Before the new 100-ton bridge element can be installed, the old bridge structure has to be demolished and transported away. A scheduled piece of work with a very short timescale. On this project, Maaßen is collaborating with another civil engineering company named Tillman from the Sauerland area. Tillman is taking care of loading up the trucks with its diggers and excavating the new foundations. The Maaßen team is responsible for the demolition work and for carting the rubble away. With the 5-ton concrete breaker, even larger pieces of concrete can be smashed up into a transportable format. Because of the earth tremors caused by the concrete breaker, the team has to be vigilant of the surrounding buildings. Ten trucks and a Fendt with a dumper trailer in tow ensure the rubble is swiftly carted away. The street has been closed off, but the drivers still have to enter the construction site in reverse. This is where the 4-axle trucks have an advantage over articulated vehicles. Soon we'll be continuing our roundup of Maaßen's new machinery and visiting some of their other construction sites here on our YouTube channel. Among the vehicles we'll show you is a new 68-ton digger. Plus, we'll visit a large construction site near Zulpich. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to take a look at our website www.farmworld.tv to discover our range of exciting documentaries.